Good day, dear learners. Welcome to another episode of Grade 7 ETV Mathematics. This is Doc Gilmac, your Grade 7 math teacher. Are you ready to learn new lesson for today? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Before discussing the topic for today, let's have first a simple recall on the mnemonic device for metric system. What is a mnemonic device? This device is actually used in converting unit of a metric unit to another metric unit. It is simply a shortcut way in finding the exact conversion of a metric unit to another metric unit. So we have here, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, wherein King stands for kilo, Henry stands for hecto, doesn't stands for deca, usually is simply the unit. It's either meter, gram, or liter. Drink stands for deci, chocolate stands for centi, milk stands for milli. So take note of that. Consider illustrative example number 1. We're going to use the mnemonic device in converting a metric unit to another metric unit. So we have King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Convert 15 kilometer to meter. So from here, we have to move 3 decimal places to the right, which means we're going to add 3 zeros from 15 kilometer. So we have 15 kilometer is equal to 15,000 meters. So take note of that. Consider illustrative example number 2. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. We convert 200 ml to liter. So from here, we're going to move 3 decimal places to the left. So therefore, 200 ml is just equal to 0.2 liter. Consider illustrative example number 3. Again, we're going to use the mnemonic device. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Convert 25,000 decigrams to kilograms. So from here, we're going to move 4 decimal places to the left. So therefore, 25,000 decigrams is just equal to 2.5 kilograms. Consider the objectives of our lesson for today. Number 1, translate verbal phrases to mathematical phrases. Number 2, translate verbal sentences to mathematical sentences and vice versa. Translating phrases. Consider the 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When we talk about addition, we simply have the phrases to be considered: sum, plus, more than, added to, increase by. For subtraction, we have the difference, minus, less than, decrease by, less. For the multiplication, we have the product, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, and so forth and so on, multiplied by, times. For division, we have divided by, quotient, ratio, divided into. Consider the operation for addition. We have here 3 columns for operation, variable expression, and word phrases. So let's have first the addition operation. We have here the expression x plus 5 to be converted to word phrases or translate to word phrases. 5 added to a number, the sum of a number and 5. 5 more than a number increased by 5. Is the same as x plus 5 if we're going to convert it into an expression. Moving on, we have the subtraction operation. The expression is y minus 8, and if we're going to translate it into phrases, we have a number minus 8, 8 subtracted from a number, the difference of a number and 8, 8 less than a number decreased by 8, a number less 8. Moving on, we have the multiplication operation. Consider the expression 3n. If we're going to convert it or translate it into word phrases, we have thrice a number, 3 times a number, the product of 3 and a number multiplied by 3. Now, moving on, consider division operation. We have the expression n over 4. Translated into word phrases, a number divided by 4. The quotient of a number and 4. The ratio of a number and 4. 4 divided into a number. So take note of that. Let's continue. Consider the operation for equals. Expression is the equal sign. Word phrases is equal to, is the same as, produces, yields, results in. Let's continue. The keywords for sum, difference, product, and quotient indicate the answer for their respective operations. Sum of y and 4. When we talk about sum, we simply have the addition operation. So we have y plus 4. Difference of y and 4. Again, when we talk about difference, we simply have the subtraction operation. So we have y minus 4. Product of y and 4. So of course, we have the multiplication operation. So this is simply 4y. Quotient of y and 4. We simply have the division operation. So we have y over 4. Let's continue. Let's have another example. Twice the sum of m and 2. This time, it's a combination of addition and multiplication operation. Twice the sum of m and 2. So we have 2 of m plus 2. Difference of z and 2 over 5. So it's a combination of subtraction and division operation. So we have z minus 2 all over 5. Product of P and 5 more than 8. So it's a combination of a multiplication and addition. So 5P plus 8. So take note of that. Now, let's translate verbal sentences. 12 more than a number is negative 5. 12 more than a number, we have n plus 12 is simply the equal sign, and we have negative 5. So we have 12 more than a number is negative 5 is the same as n plus 12 is equal to negative 5. 4 times a number decreased by 9 yields to 3. So let's translate this into a mathematical sentence. 4 times a number is 4n decreased by 9, so we have minus 9. Yields is simply the equal sign to 3. So therefore, we have 4n minus 9 equals 3 is the same as 4 times a number decreased by 9 yields to 3. So take note of that. Let's continue. This time, the given is a mathematical sentence, and we're going to translate it into a verbal sentence. 9 plus 5n equals negative 1. 5 times a number more than 9, or simply we have 9 more than 5 times a number is negative 1. Okay, so 9 added to 5 times a number is negative 1. Or shall we say 9 more than 5 times a number is negative 1. So any of the two can do. Let's continue. 7x over 2 minus 3 equals 4. So we have 7 times a number over 2 minus 3 is equal to 4. Or we can also say 3 is less than the quotient of 7 times a number, and 2 is 4. So take note of that. Again, I would like to thank you for watching Doc Gilma Math TV. Stand by for my next tutorial. Stay safe everyone, and may God bless us all.